So what he's saying is that the water line is under there. Brandon felt a bump and noticed the weather stripping flapping. So we pulled over. Tire obviously is stripped and it tore up above the wheel there. It tore up something in the water line and potentially something else. There's a metal bar sticking out. So we're going to have to figure this out. We're also on a very crowded highway in California. So not ideal, right, Steele? True. Our first vacation week. Brandon felt a bump, and this is what happened. That water is leaking from our water line, so hopefully we don't have a huge amount of water in the lines to leak inside.
It's not leaking inside. It's tore out here.
Oh, it's torn on the outside.
Yeah. There's
Perfect.
lines that run through here. I could feel the water running through one.
Oh, through one of them. Okay, well that's good. So we're not dealing with flooding.
Should be on the inside.
Also good, the tire blew on the passenger side, because if it was on the driver's side, would be stuck without them blocking off the highway most likely. Because there is so much traffic out here. And they're California drivers, so that's scary. But yeah, really not what you want to happen. We did just eat lunch. Brandon said he wished he hadn't just eaten a double cheeseburger, large fries, and a large drink. He was not planning to work it off quite so soon. We've already had issues with. We replaced our spare because we were not able to fix that tire, and so we had a brand new spare on the back, which is good. But make sure that you've got all your tire pressure monitored. We checked our tires before we left and they were fine. Brandon felt a little bump, so he thinks he might have run over something, but there's no reason our tires should have blown, and here we are. So we're glad we have a brand new spare. It's got good tread on it that we'll put on there and hopefully get off the highway soon so that we can look at our water line. The nice thing is Brandon and I did take vacation this week, so we've got more time to deal with it. It's a Sunday afternoon, but we've got all week before we're expected to work again, so also good. Cold water. Okay. That would be right.
Yeah, that's right. So, blue line right here.
So it's the cold water.
It's cold water.
Okay.
You see where the drip is right there?
Uh-huh.
I think it's somewhere between here and here.
Okay.
So what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn the water on.
Let's see if it comes gushing out.
I need you to look and see if that drip changes from a drip to a
So if you hear me go, "Wah," you'll know it's really big.
You're going to have to hold it, or you're going to have me hold it.
I can hold it.
Okay.
Okay.
See it right there?
Yes.
So.
And that's the only part of it that tore?
That's the only part that, yeah, it's
Hot
got
water
a,
is good?
It's got a gash in it. Yeah, the hot water, there's nothing dripping out of that.
Good.
And I'm holding this down at an angle so I can see if anything's coming from this side. It's bone dry.
It's not. Good.
So yeah, it's got a gash right there. So I'm gonna take some flex tape, as seen on TV.
Doesn't work in our shower, but we're
It does
hoping it
not
works
work in
here.
the shower, but it should work on this.
After all the fun with the tire and the broken water line, we were ready to enjoy our vacation. So we stopped for a quick overnight stay at a harvest host, the Cardella Winery. We were charmed by the laid-back tasting room, and Brandon was thrilled to just kick back and relax after doing all those repairs. We even met a furry friend while we were enjoying our time there. Then it was off to Lopez Lake, which is a lake situated kind of between San Luis Obispo and Pismo Beach.
The kids were like, "Hey, Daddy, did you see the scoop ice cream over there?" I'm like, "Well, I didn't, but now I do."
So
Let's go get some ice cream.
we're talking in the truck, but if you want to have thoughts of food, Daddy's your man.
Yep.
You need to be around here. Because I'm always like, we just stayed, we're good.
Let's go get ice cream. We made our way down to Pismo Beach, and when in Rome, get a chocolate cone. So that's what we did. Now we're heading down to the beach.
I'm a weirdo.
But you get mommy.
It's true.
More ice cream.
So we just finished up walking down the pier at Pismo Beach. Brielle, keep going.
It's a long pier.
Yeah, it's very long. I can't see. Oh no. Ugh. Okay. Yeah, that's why we started filming primarily coming back versus going out, because you can't see anything looking straight into the sun back there. But lots of fisher people. Lots of people. Seagulls everywhere. Seagull poop everywhere. So watch yourself, but very, very cool pier. Definitely.
You said that and one flew over and I
Yep.
was like, ah!
But there was some sort of carnival thing going on downtown.
Yeah, with live music, people dancing around.
Beef jerky.
Yeah, Brandon, I immediately lost him.
Yep.
And he was buying beef jerky.
Yep. Had to get some beef jerky. But yeah, very cool, packed downtown.
It is packed,
area.
yeah. Everybody's down here.
The pier is probably,
The least crowded thing we've done.
well, it's least crowded, but it's a quarter mile maybe.
Oh, probably. It's definitely
Right onto the ocean.
long.
So
Just
you're,
keep going. And beautiful views back
yeah,
of Pismo Beach.
really everywhere.
All the
Like, you can
hotels.
see all of the space back there, and then going back.
So we're kind of near-ish. Houses of home now.
Oh yeah, gotta point those out. Gotta
Probably
shout
expensive.
out to the real move. Shout out to the millionaires and billionaires. If you watch our channel and want to subscribe and send us some money, that you guys that live up here, feel free to get a sponsorship from the Pismo Beach residents. But I thought it was really cool when as we were coming up, the cops on the bikes were taking pictures for tourists, families walking down. So that was pretty cool. Big presence from that perspective, so it feels very safe down here. But yeah, really cool, really awesome place. People all over the beach. All the way down, you can just see people on the beach, and then yeah, the whole downtown Pismo Beach is just packed with people right now because of that carnival thing. But still got a lot of time on inflatables. That was all free.
Yeah, it was all free. That was cool.
Yep.
Didn't have to pay for it. Live music and people were dancing. Just all outside.
I'm disappointed that we went to the German sausage place first.
I liked
'Cause
that.
I ate a lot. I did like it. It was a lot, but it was.
I enjoyed my time.
I ate a decent amount of food, but there was a lot of really good smells here at the carnival. So
Yeah, everywhere we turned, Brandon's like, oh, that smells good. That smells good. He was having lots of dreams about eating lots of things.
oh yeah. All right. Well, big wave coming in. Big wave. Big wave. Yeah, you're so.
Big Bill.
That's or Big Bear. Big Bear.
They keep turning. Keep on rolling. No.
No.
All right. Yeah. So we're walking back up. Probably go through the carnival space again, see what's up there, and then probably head back.
What did you say you wanted to eat for dinner?
Barbecue.
Oh, I thought you said you wanted a balloon.
Balloons, but I didn't mean eat balloons.
Oh, you just wanted like cool glowing balloons? While we were staying at Lake Lopez, it was highly recommended that we attend the Downtown Slow Farmers Market. Hosted every Thursday except on major holidays at 6 p.m. right in the heart of downtown San Luis Obispo, this farmers market is full of all sorts of fun things to do together as a family. It's more than 5 blocks long with over 100 vendors that offer fresh produce like a typical farmer's market, but also famous barbecue, delicious meals from food trucks, crafts, baked goods, entertainment, and more. We had a great time shopping, eating, trying different things, and seeing all that the town had to offer. I do suggest arriving early as parking was a little hard to come by, but once we got out, we were able to walk around in the beautiful mild evening and enjoy all the sights.
Excited?
Yes,
A little scared, a little nervous.
maybe.
It's probably the most dangerous part right here. Crossing the road.
Crossing the street.
Yeah.
Sure, I'm sure that this is more dangerous than the shortest one, which is 250 feet off the bat.
I'm glad you did your hair this morning, Rio. It looks real good underneath that helmet. The campsite we stayed at Lopez Lake had a zip line that we just couldn't pass up. Well, Sonny did, but the kids and I had a blast. It has 3 separate lines and one ran across the edge of the lake. It was fun, but also gave us some of the best views of the area. Do something funny before you go down, okay?
Huh?
Do something funny before you go down. Like, what did the Ninja Turtles say?
Cowabunga?
Alright, you ready? You remember the rules? Yep.
Orange only, okay, Steel?
Alright, whenever you're ready.
Zero.
3.
How was that? I'll have you hang out here for just a moment. Sweet.
Say goodbye. Right here.